Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to unfreeze or reactivate your TourPass in Alipay. This is quite easy. The first step we need to do is in this menu when we open the Alipay app, we're gonna click this option called TourPass. Right here, we're gonna click this, and right here you can see all about your TourPass. Right here, we're gonna see this option or see this advice uh, saying that your TourPass is expired. We're gonna click this button right here. We're gonna click details, and right here you can see that this means the card is expired. We're gonna click this button right here called View Solutions, and right here, as you can see, you have two solutions. Okay, one of these solution is reactivate your account. Click this button or apply for a refund. Okay, all the information about this solution you can read right here, but the easy one is to reactivate your account clicking this option right here. Okay, you only the only thing you need to do is clicking this button right here, and there you go. You have unfreeze or reactivate your account, okay, or your card. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.